Hey lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. I could not let fall pass us by without doing this beautiful leaf green. But first things first, I want to tell you guys happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving Day and I'm so excited to be sharing this upload with you. I hope you enjoy it with your families. If you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and also connect with me on Instagram at Very_Veelo. Today's color is going to be this beautiful leaf green, and first things first, I'm going in with my world famous lipstick base in a tablespoon, and then I'm going in with a quarter of a teaspoon of titanium dioxide, and I'm just establishing my canvas so that I can see the progression of the color as we go. I always like to start off with the titanium dioxide because it is the hardest color to mix. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with the titanium dioxide and I'm mixing that in really well, and it's just going to dissolve right into that base. Of course, I have a video showing you guys how to make this base on your own, and I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. But even better news, I can personally make this base for you and have it shipped right to your door. And guess what? I am having a Black Friday sale and it's already running. I just said, no, I'm not going to start at midnight. I'm just going to go ahead and start on Thanksgiving Day. I mean, what are we waiting for? So you guys can go ahead and go over to my website and get your base and all your lipstick making supplies. They are on sale. Now I'm going in with a pinch of black oxide because I want to bring depth to this green. However, if you don't have the pinch measure, I got those spoons from TKB. Those are the mini measuring spoons. But if you don't have that measure, you can do 1/2 of a teaspoon. And that will give you that much black. Or you can just eyeball it. I know you guys are professionals. I know you've seen how much black I put in there. But a little black does go a long way, and I don't want you to add too much because, of course, the black would make it darker. But I just wanted to give it a little bit more depth, and I'm just mixing that into our mixture. So now I'm going in with 1/4 of a teaspoon of the FD&C Yellow number 5 Alum Lake. This Alum Lake is batch certified, so you guys, when shopping for your lakes, make sure that they're always batch certified. I linked the company that I use in the description box below. It's called Make Your Own .buzz or Making Your Own .buzz. The link will be in the description box below, but the FDA wants us to use all batch certified color additives if we are making our products with the intention to sell, which we are. Speaking of the intention to sell, oh my gosh, these lipsticks make the perfect Christmas gifts. The perfect Christmas gifts. I just had the cutest idea about naming them after my friends and naming them after my family members, like just certain colors that I know that they would wear, just kind of putting them in a stocking stuffer or something really, really cute, you guys. So this season, if you want to get creative, if you want to have something that is more personalized for your friends and family as Christmas gifts, just sit to the table and make them some beautiful lipstick, and I promise you they would love it, love it, love it. This is my first year, believe it or not, doing something like that with, as far as naming them after each person and, making the color based off of their personality and what I know they would wear versus what would just sit to the bottom of their purse or sit in the back of their vanity. I know they're actually going to use it, so I just wanted to throw that out there that these will make amazing Christmas gifts. So now, you guys, I'm going in with 1/4 of a teaspoon of the FD&C Blue number 1 Alum Lake, and this is really going to help us to establish the green or the darkness to the green. It kind of looked green already. It was giving me like some olive tones, but this is what's really going to make it green, because of course you guys know that blue and yellow makes green, but the black and yellow made an interesting color, and I was like, if I would have added more yellow and more black, that would have made the perfect olive color lipstick. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out just to establish that shade. And it's amazing how much you learn from just mixing colors together, odd random colors, to get this beautiful color. I love what I do.
Leave your dream. Are you gonna
Now it's time to do a swatch check for progress, and this is a beautiful green color. However, it looks more like turquoise at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Isododecane remix in a teaspoon. And of course, you guys know this will also be on sale at Very Veelo Beauty's Black Friday sale. And I'm going right behind it with 1/4 of a teaspoon of the FD&C Yellow No. 5 Alum Lake. Because what I'm trying to do is take away the turquoise and bring back more of the green. So that's where the yellow is coming in. So right here, I'm just going in with 1/4 of a teaspoon of the FD&C Yellow No. 5 Alum Lake. I like to always add more pigment after I add the Isododecane remix, just so that there will be a nice balance between the base and the pigments itself. So that, you know, like the oil and the pigments, so that when you put it on, it's a nice color payoff. It's not transparent. And it also helps with the lipstick adhering to your lips. So yes, more pigment, more power to the pigment. Now I'm just mixing very, very well to get the marbles and the clouds of white out of our product. What I'm going to eventually do is pick up my whisk, because now we have a better consistency and easier consistency for us to just go ahead and mix. So I'm going to take my little whisk and I'm just going to mix further until I see no more marbles. And of course, if you get marbles after you've bottled it, you can just gently tap them out on your wrist or on the table and they will blend right on in. Now I'm going again to do another swatch check for progress and to compare the two. And as you can see, the one without the Isododecane remix still has a little shine to it, while the other one, even though it does have the shine is going away. And it has better adhesion, and this green is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to go ahead and bottle our product up. I'm just taking the syringe and drawing it up into our bottle, and I'm going to disperse it into the bottle container, and I'm going to do it real gentle and slow just so it doesn't spill, which I kind of already spilled some, but that is okay. That's what the paper towel is for. So I am filling up the bottle to the top, and then I'm going to take our stopper along with a piece of paper towel to place it in our bottle and put the stopper in, and then following that I'm going to put the wand in. Sorry about that, you guys. Following that, I'm going to put the wand in, and I have no marbles, and I'm so happy about that, because with darker colors sometimes you can still see the marbles. So I did not have to tap my bottle as much, or at all. If anything, I didn't have to tap it this time. So yes, I'm just going to go ahead and place the stopper inside of the bottle, and then I'm going to put the wand in the bottle, and just like that, we have made liquid lipstick again. You guys, we are getting so good at this, and I am loving the pictures you guys are sending me. I'm so proud. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I inspired someone like that, you know. But yes, here it is. There you have it, this beautiful leaf green. Oh my gosh, how could I not do the leaf green? I was riding in my car and looking at these beautiful variations of colors of leaves, and I was like, oh, I gotta do the leaf green. Oh yes. But yes, you guys, I don't want you guys to forget my Black Friday sale. Head over to my website to get all of your lipstick making needs. I got all of the bases on deck. I promise you guys will love it. Yes, and make sure that you check it out. It's 35% off the entire site, which is a great deal, and you use the promo code BLKFRIDAY. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, all of your incredible support, and definitely supporting my first Black Friday sale. Like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your Thanksgiving.